HeyGen Review. Welcome everyone to this HeyGen AI review. In this video, I'll explain what HeyGen is, how it works, discuss the pricing, and answer the question if it's worth your money. HeyGen is this cool AI tool that transforms still images into speaking avatars for video content. It allows users to create videos featuring AI-driven avatars using provided templates or images of yourself. If you use HeyGen, you won't have to get in front of the camera yourself. These avatars can speak for you. If you're interested in trying HeyGen, make sure to use the link in the description down below. Now let me explain how it works. When you go to the photo avatar section, you can upload a picture or use one they have. For example, let's say you pick a picture and want to make a video. You can choose if you want to use the video landscape or on portrait. Then you add the words you want your avatar to say, or you can even use an audio script. HeyGen lets you choose different voices and languages. Let's say we go with the text HeyGen gives you. Welcome to the new era of video creation with HeyGen. Simply type your script to get started. When you click preview, you'll hear the voice but won't see the animation until you submit it.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with HeyGen. Simply type your script to get started.
If you like it, you can submit it, and it costs half a credit for every 30 seconds of video. Once you submit, your video goes into a queue, and when it's done, you can watch it.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with HeyGen. Simply type your script to get started.
If you want to use your own picture to make an avatar speak, you can upload it here. HeyGen also has another feature where you can make video templates. For instance, they have different categories like breaking news, social media, and many more. You can select one, add your text, and submit it. In this example, let's talk about World Cup news.
Last night, we saw a surprising victory of Belgium against Brazil. They have beaten Brazil with 3-1.
Now, let's talk about the pricing. They have different plans: free, creator, business, and enterprise. You can choose to pay each month or once a year. If you pay for the whole year, you get a 20% discount. The creator and business plan lets you choose how many credits you want per month. Remember, one credit is used for every 30 seconds of video. The creator plan starts with 15 credits and goes up to 120 credits. The business plan starts with 30 credits and goes up to 300. If you're a big company, they can even make a customized plan for you. So if you're a small creator, 15 credits a month might be sufficient. If you're a bigger creator, think about selecting more credits. The same goes with the business plan. 30 credits might be enough if you have a small business, while bigger businesses might need more. Is HeyGen worth your money? The answer is simple: yes. HeyGen is a great tool for making videos without showing your face. It creates talking AI avatars that look real. You can choose from many templates about different things like sports, news, or education. You can even make an AI version of yourself. It changes words into voices, offering lots of different languages and voices to use. However, the free version has fewer options to choose from. It's super handy for anyone, from small creators to big companies. You can use it to make videos for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and more. Plus, you can adjust the video, voice, and other stuff to make it just how you want. Overall, HeyGen is awesome for making videos without needing to be in front of a camera. So if you want to use HeyGen, make sure to use the link in the description down below. I hope this video was helpful, and I want to thank you for watching.